miles per hour. It actually got up to 45 during the day after a morning low of 35, so temperatures were a good 5 to 7 degrees above normal for this time of the year. By the way, 16 years ago on this date, back in 2000, it was a balmy 64 degrees. We're expecting the opposite of that as we head into tomorrow and Tuesday. Coldest air mass of the season arriving first thing tomorrow morning. Probably get our high temperature early in the day, right around 30 or 32 degrees, and then temperatures drop off into the 20s during the afternoon. And with the wind, it'll feel like it's in the teens. Tomorrow night, probably the coldest since March the 6th, when we got down to 12 degrees in New York City. We're expecting temperatures to get down to the mid-teens tomorrow night. And then bright but cold on Tuesday with less wind out there. And then we're talking about a moderating trend as we head into the middle and latter part of the week. 40 right now, Newark 41 at Teterboro, 38 at White Plains. You head up into Dutchess County, Poughkeepsie's 40 right now, 32 at Monticello, upper 30s down the shore at Belmar and Toms River, and also onto parts of Long Island. Clouds just beginning to increase from the north. That's ahead of a very strong Arctic frontal boundary slicing through far upstate New York right now. And along the boundary, a couple of snow showers and flurries. And we can't completely rule out a flurry well north and west of the city overnight tonight, and maybe even in the city during the day tomorrow. We'll track everything for you on the Futurecast. And I want to really draw your attention to these temperatures. 7 o'clock in the morning, around 31. You're already in the lower and middle 20s north and west of the city. Watch what happens during the day. Even despite some sunshine, if anything, the temperature levels off or even falls. We're down to 26 by 6 p.m. already by dinner time tomorrow evening into the teens north and west of the city. And then the bottom really falls out tomorrow night. We're down to 18 by 7 o'clock Tuesday morning, down into the single digits in Sussex and Monticello, and not much of a recovery during the day on Tuesday despite a lot of sunshine. And that doesn't tell the whole story. You add the wind into the equation. This is what it'll feel like outside by dinner time tomorrow night. It'll feel like the mid-teens in the city, and even feeling like close to zero, not too far north and west of New York City. Even below zero will be your wind chill by early Tuesday morning in those locations. AccuWeather forecast for tonight, partly cloudy, brisk and cold. We're down to about 29. Again, 32 early tomorrow. Temperatures falling into the 20s during the afternoon. Could be a spotty flurry out there, noticeably colder and blustery. Clear to partly cloudy, brisk, very cold tomorrow night. Again, our coldest since early March, down to about 14. Tuesday only getting up to 30 despite a lot of sunshine, and then we're back up to 40 on Wednesday. So it's really only a 2-day stint with true Arctic cold. Mid-40s on Thursday, mainly cloudy on Friday. Could be some rain by day's end and into Friday night and Saturday, and then we clear out by next Sunday, highs in the mid-40s. So we warm up enough just for some plain old rain by later on in the week. We'll have an update tonight at 11.
All right, thank you, Jeff.
All right.
Laurel Becky up next with sports.
All right, well, Black Monday is tomorrow in the NFL as the day after the regular season ends. The Jets and Giants, though, got the darkness started a little early. It was really a Black Sunday up in Buffalo, where the Jets just needed one win to head to the playoffs. Instead, they're heading home. And Tom Coughlin had his entire family on the field before today's finale against the Eagles. So what would he say about his future afterward? Sports is next.
I used to wish I was